everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today, we are inviting you to discover a place where nature, fun, and family escape from the busy city. Imagine yourself surrounded by fresh air, the sound of birds, kind of peace we all need, a chance to slow down and reconnect, not just with nature, but with each other.
Nandiyan sila.
Family vacations like these are more than just a getaway. They're a chance to strengthen your bond, create happy memories, and share moments that will last a And what's even better, you can enjoy swimming under the sun, whether you're a kid or a kid at heart. The swimming pool here promises fun, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. So if you're planning your next vacation, choose nature. Choose a place where you can swim, laugh, and feel alive. Trust us, your mind, body, and family will thank you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this vlog inspires you to step outside, explore, and spend more time with the people you love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!